start with the last topic, relationship between MU and price. This is new concept. See, in this case, what we are going to see, every time we have concentrated, till now we have concentrated on MU units, marginal units. When we convert it into money, that will be helpful for us to take the decision. That's why this concept is related to that. Relationship between MU and price. MU and price means we are going to consider the money also with marginal utility. Now here what we have done, this is just assumption. Here we have assumed that there are total 6 units. Then MU units of X is 10, 8, means from 1 unit you will get 10, 8, 7 MU, and here MU in terms of money. Now we are going to convert everything in terms of money. Here they have given it in units form. When those units will get converted into money, that will be helpful for us to take the decision. Then market price, we can compare that MU in price with the market price, and then that will be helpful to take the decision. Now we will do the calculation part. See, total there are 6 units. Then MU, remember, we will start from this 1, 3, 5, 2 difference is there. 1, 3, 5, 7. Here only one difference, again 2. Remember this thing. Remaining calculation I will show you. Now see, 1 unit is equal to 10. So 10 MU is equal to how much? 10 into 10. That will be 100. Second, 8 MU into 1 unit is equivalent to 10. So 8 into 10. Remember, every time I have to multiply with 10. Why 10? Because 1 unit is equivalent to rupees 10. So 10 units is equal to 10 MU is equal to 100. 8 MU is equal to 80. 7 MU is equal to 70. 5 MU is equal to 50. And 3 MU is equal to 30. And 1 into 10 is 10. Now we have converted MU in terms of money. These figures will help us to take the decision. Now market price of that particular unit of X is 50. So everywhere you will write 50. Remember, these things we have converted MU into money, which will help you to take the decision. This is already we know that market price means if I want to purchase, I have to pay 50 rupees for that particular product. Okay. Now see the comparison. Comparison of what? MU. That's why we are studying relationship between MU and price. So 100 and 50, 80 and 50, 70 and 50, 50 and 50, 30 and 50, 10 and 50. 100, in this case 100 is more than 50, 80 is more than 50, 70 is more than 50, 50 is equal to 50, then 50 is more than 30, 50 is more than 10. Means in 3 cases, first 3 cases MU is more than price, then MU and price both are equal, and then price is more then explanation part is easy. I told you just for remembering, write down the 6 units, then 1, 2 differences there, 1, 3, 5, 7, then 1 and again 2 difference 10. These are the MU units. Okay. So we have assumed that 1 unit is equivalent to 10. Accordingly, I have converted all these MU units into money form. That money form I have used to compare the market price of the product, and accordingly I will take the decision. Now see, for first 3 units, consumers are willing to buy. Why they are willing to buy? Because here MU is more than price. That's why in these 3 cases consumers are willing to purchase. That's why that concept is called intramarginal units. That concept is called intramarginal units. For first 3 cases, your MU is more than your price. That's why we call it as intramarginal units. Next, for fourth unit, you can see here the figure is 50, 50 means MU is equal to price. This concept is called as marginal units, and also it is also called as consumers equilibrium. In fourth unit, your MU and your price both are matching, both are equal. That is called marginal unit or consumers equilibrium. And after that, means till that point, consumer will go and purchase, because up to third he is willingly buy. For fourth, actually MU and price are equal. Here also he can purchase, but for fifth and sixth unit, observe this. Here what is happening? Price is more, but MU, marginal utility, is less. So this is the case where the rational consumer will not go and purchase the product, because price is more than whatever utility he is getting. Additional utility, marginal utility means additional utility. That additional utility is quite costly. You can compare it. That concept is called as extra marginal unit. So consumer not willingly buy. So consumer not willingly buy those products. Understood? Again I am repeating the same thing. What you have to do? You have to consider 6 units. Then MU units 10, 8, 7. For remembering this, what I told you, 1, 2 differences there. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. Then MU in terms of money, 1 unit is equivalent to 10. So I have converted all these MU units. This is assumed figure. Remember students, these are assumed figures. We have just converted everything in terms of price. Then we have compared it with market price, and then this column has helped us to take the decision. That's why here MU is more till that point, or MU is equal to price till that point, consumer will willingly buy. For more than MU is more than price, that is called intramarginal. This concept is called marginal unit or consumer equilibrium, fourth unit. And here MU is less than price. Here he will not buy, consumer will not buy, and that concept is called extra marginal unit. We are done with the second topic. Please copy this. Thank you.